In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supplier in Xero. Adding a supplier in Xero helps you keep bills organized, track what you owe, and streamline payments. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and what details matter so your records stay clean and consistent. Start by opening Xero in your web browser and signing in to the correct organization. Make sure you have access to contacts. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the main navigation and choose Contacts. This area is where Xero stores the people and organizations you buy from or sell to, and organizing them properly now saves time later when you create bills. Inside Contacts, switch to the Suppliers view. This filters the list so you're only looking at vendors you pay. If you're seeing a general list, simply choose the Suppliers option to focus on the right group. A quick tip here. Before creating a new record, use the search bar to check whether the supplier already exists. Avoiding duplicates prevents reporting and payment confusion. Now, add your new supplier. Click New Contact to open the contact form. Start with the supplier's name. This should be the legal or trading name you'll see on bills so it matches your documents. Add an email address so you can send remittances or purchase documents directly from Xero. Include a billing address to appear on bills and payment advice, and add a phone or website if you use them for communication. Use the Notes area to store helpful context, like who your account manager is or special delivery instructions. Scroll through the financial and settings fields to improve accuracy. Set a default currency if you buy from them in a specific currency. Add a tax or business number if it appears on their invoices so it's easy to reference during reconciliations. Choose default tax rates or account codes if you consistently code bills from this supplier the same way. This speeds up data entry and reduces mistakes. If you have agreed payment terms, enter them so due dates calculate automatically when you create bills. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll return to the suppliers list and see the new contact ready to use. From now on, when you enter a bill, start typing this supplier's name and select it from the suggestions to pull in the defaults you set. If you don't see the supplier immediately, confirm you're on the supplier's view and that filters aren't hiding it. That's all it takes to add a supplier in Xero. Clean, complete contact details now make your payables faster, more accurate, and easier to manage.